being drawn at my keyhole. You want to stick it louder? The raffle, Owen, being drawn at the marquee. Quite not. There we go. Raffle at the marquee, Owen. To your left. Marquee, now.
Now. We're late. We missed it, no point. That was there.
This is the new monitor on the Case CV210E LC. As you can see, fantastic clear camera for side and rear vision. The second feature, which is very important for truck loading, is again custom flow balance, where you can alter arm in and swing, as we can demonstrate here, giving it priority to more dipper or less dipper in compared to slew speed.